Hi guys, good day. My name is Vanessa Even Swaleze and I'm the lead formulator for a well-known skincare brand, Nesville Glam. You're welcome back to my channel and I just want to say something guys. Thank you all so much for turning up. We have 53 students, powerful students, almost. You guys, most of the students we have are actually from YouTube. I wasn't expecting the turnout. Thank you all so much. Well, as requested, I don't know, I've gotten about 17 calls right now for this particular video that I'm making because of the previous video I made about powders that should never be in your black soap. So we're going to be talking about skin lightening powders, botanical powders that should be in your black soap right now.
Got a little nervous. I was really feeling nervous. I never know I come first. Never really know I come first.
So, guys, in case you're wondering the meaning of botanicals, botanicals are a natural plant-based ingredient. Yeah. So it's not like the normal synthetic ingredient like hydroquinone, those tranexamic, those other synthetic derived ingredients. No, these are plant-based. These are botanicals or plants that you can actually plant in your own home and get the extract out of it. So it's very, very, very easy. There are a whole lot of them you can use for skin lightening. It depends on the kind of results you want to achieve or the kind of products you're about to make for your customer. If you want to make a lightening product, then yeah, I think this is the right videos for you. Everybody right now wants to really, really brighten up their skin. I think it's because the sun here in my country, Nigeria, it's really, really, really hot, and we tend to have sunburn without knowing. So it's best we just brighten up so that we glow very well. So one of the powders, because I don't really want this video to be long, so one of the powders are citrus extracts. Yeah, citrus extracts. That's English. English is so difficult. Hi, citrus extracts. Yes. So citrus extracts are very, very, very good for your skin. It really helps with skin lightening. It depends on the kind of lightening you want, but please, you have to be very, very careful with such extracts because they're actually very, very photosensitive. And when I mean photosensitive, I mean it really, really makes your skin sensitive to the sun. Yeah, so you need to be very careful, or if you're using this extract, they may just do the reverse and you will not like your skin or the results you're going to get. So part of the citrus extracts that you can use is lemon peel powder, orange peel powder, and even lime peel powder. So you're using the peels because these are the only ways you can get their powders, or you can get them to a powder form. Yeah, if you just use, you can't use the juice. If you're going to be using the juice, then it may not really be stable. We know that the citrus are very, very rich in vitamin C. So if you have actually gotten the pills and you dry them or you have dehydrated them, make sure that they are stored in a dark container, not an opaque or a transparent container, so that it doesn't oxidize. And if not, they will just be working for normal exfoliation properties reasons, rather than it giving you the nutrients that you're supposed to be getting from it. The second one is kojic acid. Now this is actually derived from a fungus. I think it's a fermentation, yeah, of a fungus. It is actually naturally derived, and this is why it's in here. Now the kind of kojic acid you have to use is kojic acid dipalmitate. It's very, very much stable, and it can withstand the stability of the kind of soap that you're making, which is black soap. So if you're making a black soap and you want it to really work very well, then you have to use kojic acid dipalmitate. And if you're also using kojic acid, then it's still fine. It may just do little on your skin, but not as it's not going to be as potent as kojic acid dipalmitate. But if you're using kojic acid, because it's a black soap, it is black, it is going to slowly oxidize from the soap. Still make sure your black soap is in a tightly covered container so that air doesn't go inside and evaporates and oxidizes. So that's it for the second one. The third one is licorice or licorice, depends on how you pronounce it. I like licorice a lot because it's a very, very nice natural derived botanical powder, and it's been nice for the skin. It lightens up your skin, promote an even skin tone, and it's been awesome in black soap. The fourth one is the Indian gooseberry. This is also known as Amla powder. So if you really want to lighten up or whiten up your skin, it has been proven that this particular plant whitens or lightens the skin almost immediately. So I like to use Indian gooseberry a whole lot in my black soap. Get it. It's very, very nice. It is also very, very, very rich in vitamin C. So any black soap you are making, please make sure that it is it's either you're making a dark label for it, or you're making you're using a very, very tightly closed container for your black soap. Yeah. So the fifth one is the mulberry extract or mulberry powder. There are two color types. You can use any of them. It is very, very good for skin lightening. It softens the skin and it brightens up your skin. It brightens it up for you. So you can use the mulberry extract powder. These are botanical powders you can use. If you're having acne or you are having dark spots, then you can use these powders alongside aloe vera powder or neem powder. Yeah, neem powder is very good for pimples, acne, and these lightening powders are also going to help out with dark spots. So you can use these botanical powders like I just mentioned, but please do well to make sure that your black soap is tightly closed. If it's not closed, then it may not just do the job for you. Okay, so that's it for the botanical powders. And I got a question. Somebody asked me a question the last time, and she was saying she was asking if she can use bleaching powder in her black soap. Guys, bleaching powder is just dye. In case you don't know, I'm telling you right now, it's dye. The dye they use in bleaching your hair. That is what bleaching powder is, and it shouldn't be in your black soap. It may increase the pH of your black soap, and it will render all other ingredients you added to your black soap useless. So don't add bleaching soap to your black soap somehow. And yeah, in case I forget, please do not forget to add your rice powder. Rice powder is important. It is very, very rich in lactic acid, and that is one beautiful ingredient in your black soap. In fact, that is what you have to use in your black soap. That is what will make the black soap penetrate into your skin and work very, very well. So rice powder is something you need to invest in. It's not really expensive anymore. You can ground rice in your house. Just make sure you have a very good blender. Then ground your dry rice, turn it to powder, and use it on your skin. In a couple of days, you notice that your skin will start peeling. Yeah, that is because it's exfoliating. It's getting rid of the dead skin cells on your skin. Now, I'm not saying that you should add all these powders to your black soap. If you do, your black soap will be so confused as to what would really, what it is meant for in the first place. So you can just pick one or two of them and make sure to add them at a total percent of 5. Yeah, it should be a total percent of 5%. That should be the amount of botanicals you add in your black soap, because if you're adding too much powders to your black soap, they may not really do the job anymore. It may not allow the black soap itself or the base do its job anymore. So you need to give the black soap enough room for it to accommodate any other botanicals it's receiving. Okay, the next video we're going to be making, or we're going to be talking about, are essential oils. Should you add essential oils to your black soap? We're going to talk about it in the next video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do also hit the subscribe button, because you're going to be getting like a whole lot of other tips from me. And also drop comments and also share to your friends so that your friends can share to their friends. Yeah. Bye, guys. Take care. I'm going to see you again next time.